everyone, it's Connie again, and today I'm coming at you with a meal for a cold, blistery winter's day. My goodness, we're below zeros here in Minnesota. Very, very frigid, very, very cold. I have no intention of leaving the house. So I thought today is a great day to have chili. Chili is one of our favorite winter meals, and I am so into healthy chili alternatives, and I found a recipe that really hits the spot and the whole family enjoys it. It's turkey chili, and you need about 30 ounces of ground turkey. I got the 99% lean. You can go down as far as about 95% if you want a little more fat for flavor. But I just happen to have 99% lean. So I cooked up 30 ounces of this, and I'm just gonna dump that right into the crock pot. And then what you're going to need is a 14.5 ounce can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. I think the fire roasted tomatoes, they just add so much flavor and just have a nice smoky taste to it. Then you're gonna need 2 cans of tomato sauce, and preferably get the low sodium tomato sauce if you can. Sometimes that's not always easy to find, but in this case, it's gonna add a really, really nice base. We're gonna add some seasonings. I already measured this out. This is 4.5 teaspoons of chili powder. And of course, chili powder is a key ingredient to chili. And then we're gonna add 1/8 of a teaspoon of the following spices. We're gonna do 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground allspice, which is a very awesome ingredient for the chili. Of course, cumin, can't have chili without cumin. So I am going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of that. And of course, garlic powder, gotta have the garlic. Always a great pop to any dish. Okay, we got garlic powder, and then we're gonna add 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Now, when I started this program, one of the things I really discovered is that I love flavored salts, smoked salts. Now, these salts don't have things added to them. You can get them online through Amazon, but the salt is actually smoked in a smokehouse, I'm assuming, and it gives it some great flavors without adding any additives or other spices. This one is from the San Francisco Salt Company. It's hickory smoked salt, and I had a friend, shout out to Nancy, I had a friend who gave this to me. She has a very sensitive digestive system, and she's on an anti-inflammatory diet, and she really enjoys that one. So she gave it to me so I'd have it on hand when she came to visit. Now, the recipe that I'm gonna post for you will show that if you like a more sweet chili than a hot, spicy chili, you can add a tablespoon of stevia or Splenda, preferably stevia in the raw. We're not really into sweet chilies. We like more of the spice. So what I did instead is I have a southwestern seasoning that I add, and this really adds a nice pop. So instead, I add a teaspoon of the southwestern seasoning to it. And it gives it a nice Southwest flavor. You could find any kind of blend out there. I think a Mrs. Dash has one that's pretty decent. Then, in program, jalapeños are considered a snack. 1 ounce is for a snack of the day. And because here at the Fays we like our spice, I weighed out 4 ounces of diced jalapeno. And I'm going to add this into the chili. And this is going to add some heat and flavor, as we say. And now I'm just going to stir this all up, get those ingredients integrated in the chopped meat, or this ground turkey meat. And then we're going to put the lid on. And since I'm running late today, I'm going to have to put it on high for 4 hours. Or if you're off to work You can always make this the night before and have it all prepped to just drop into your crock pot, or in the morning of if you have time, and set it on low for 8 hours. But since I've been running late today, I'm gonna have to crank it up to 4 hours. So I will come back when we're ready to eat and we'll see how the chili looks when it's all done. Hi everyone, we're back. It's at the end of the day and we're gonna be eating dinner real soon. And this has been simmering on high in the crock pot for 4 hours. And I weighed it out and then put it back in the crock pot. This right here serves 4 people. You get a lot of chili on this program. So that equals out to about 661 grams. Because this is such a lean chili, because we've used really lean turkey meat, we will be able to add a fat. We're gonna need to add a fat. You could use a sour cream, a tablespoon of low-fat sour cream, or 2 tablespoons of fat-free sour cream. That's always nice. And also you could use 2 wedges of Laughing Cow spicy pepper jack. There's also a Laughing Cow cheddar wedges you could add. 2 of those equals 1 fat. However, if you use regular Laughing Cow, the original, it's only 1 wedge that equals a fat. Another really good healthy fat to add would be avocado slices, which we ran out because we had some Mexican earlier this week, so we ate up all our avocado then. So this is it. This is what you get, a single serving, 661 grams of chili goodness, and top it off with a healthy fat and you're good to go. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this chili if you decide to make it. I enjoyed sharing this recipe with you, and let me know what you think. Have a great evening. Stay warm. Bye.